the Meraki Espresso Machine. This high-end machine combines all the tools of a serious home barista into one unified system, making it the first of its kind. To really understand the Meraki, you have to look at two major evolutions in home espresso. First, you have machines from brands like Breville and DeLonghi that actively coach you on how to make better espresso by helping you understand your dose and grind size. Second, you have the home barista trend of weighing beans, timing shots, and weighing the output for ultimate consistency. Meraki came along and asked, what if you could have both? Initially launched on Kickstarter, this machine ticks off every single box serious home baristas were asking for. All right, let's talk specs. Right off the bat, you get a serious grinder engineered with TIMEMORE. It uses an ion beam technology to offset the static charge that makes grinds stick to the chute, meaning your output is much closer to your input. Inside, there's a commercial-grade rotary pump. This is a massive upgrade over common vibratory pumps, giving you a steady, continuous flow, which is especially important if you use a naked portafilter and don't want coffee spraying your walls. It features a big water tank, precise PID temperature control, and fast heating dual boilers for coffee and steam. Because of those dual boilers, you won't be left watching your crema fade while you wait for the steamer to get hot enough for your milk. One time, the frothing temperature gauge was inaccurate and shut off early, but I just used the manual lever to get the heat I wanted, and it hasn't happened again since. Everything is controlled on an intuitive touchscreen where you can adjust your grind size, shot volume, temperatures, and even set a morning wake-up timer. But the real stars of the show are the dual scales, one for beans, one for espresso, and the built-in shot timer. The included dosing cup is magnetic, locking right onto the scale, and the espresso scale magically tears the weight of whatever cup you place on it. It also has an NFC reader to automatically dial in settings for coffee sense beans, though my bulk beans didn't have the tag, so I didn't test that part. Plus, instead of just a cheap tamper, Meraki generously includes a solid wood tamping station, dosing cup, distributor, and tamper, easily saving you a couple $100. I've been testing home espresso machines on Men's Journal for 5 years, and I used the Meraki as my daily driver for over 6 months. Over those 180-plus days, pulling more than 500 shots using Big Trouble beans from Counterculture Coffee, I was really impressed. The rotary pump delivered smooth-flowing shots with consistently thick crema. The powerful steam wand made excellent foam fast, though it does take a little extra care to clean afterward. With so much tech, there are naturally more potential points of failure, but it does come with a 2-year warranty. On my unit, the bean scale was slightly tilted, but Meraki swiftly sent a replacement. A few other cons to note. It has a pretty large footprint, and the bean hopper is pretty small, needing you to refill it often. So what's the verdict? At the time of this video, the Meraki was on sale for $1,799, but check the link below for the latest price and to confirm any discounts. That puts it in line with high-end Breville's, above DeLonghi's, and below luxe Italian machines like the Rocket Appartamento. It might lack that classic Italian visual wow factor, but it completely eliminates the learning curve. It's not for people who just want to swipe a touchscreen Starbucks menu. It's for those who want the absolute best version of their drink. Having every tool right on the dashboard means no more excuses. I was a pretty good home barista before, but the Meraki made me a better one. By holding your hand and leading you down the espresso rabbit hole, it transforms your understanding of the process. Some machines give you training wheels. This one gives you a masterclass.